Today, over 1 billion people use Microsoft 365, making it the most adopted productivity tool in the world. Now, Microsoft Copilot is reshaping how we work, embedding AI directly into these apps that people use every single day. But here's the reality. Most businesses, they're stuck in pilot mode. See, the technology, it's here. The return on investment, it's proven. What's missing is one thing. What is that? It's user adoption. That's where we come in. SavageAI.com is a training company for the AI era. We're focused on helping employees actually use Copilot and other Microsoft AI tools so that they can use it in a meaningful and productive way. We don't just teach AI, we actually help teams adopt it. Our instructor-led training is tailored for real people, real businesses, and real tasks. The global corporate training market, it's worth $300 billion. And with AI tools now integrated into the software that 70% of companies use, even capturing a fraction of that market, it means massive opportunity. In just 9 months, we've trained about 500 professionals across industries, proof that demand for AI training, it's here. I'm Steve Savage. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, but I'm also the CEO and founder of SavageAI.com. In the last 9 months, I've taught classes from New York City to Los Angeles. We've done the classes online, we've done them in person. Industries ranging from fashion to finance, healthcare to manufacturing, and I have to say, I'm having a blast. Now we're raising $1.5 million to scale our team of expert trainers, develop new courses, and expand globally through the world's biggest tech events. The future of work, it's already here. The question is, who's ready for it? If you're looking to invest in the future of AI, visit savageai.com/investor. There, you can request our pitch deck, but you can also book a discovery call. Thank you very much for your time.